Hey, do you know the secret about the K-pop idol haircut?
안녕하세요. Hey, what's up everyone? If you're new, my name is Isaac. So this tutorial I would like to share how to do the K-pop idol haircut step by step. If you are the hairdresser, this tutorial is so useful for you. You can follow my step because I'm the hairdresser. And if you are the K-pop fans also interested about the K-pop haircut, so this tutorial will give you some inspiration. About the haircut, I just go short for the lower side and the lower back. Also trim the length on the top, create the layers, also make it thinner on the top. So it will take the weight out, also maintain the length. It will be a clean cut but really natural. Alright, let's go! Trim the length on the top, create the layers.
Go as far as we could to ignore what's around, ignore all expectations, even when we should go out to what's behind and see what will come. Instead of talking, running thought around. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terrified. I like when you traverse my mind. What I've seen is enough, and I'm scared to do too much. Laugh at my problems, even when I should look up to what's behind and see what will come. But no, I bite my tongue, hoping nobody will hear. Cigarette smoke still clouds this fleeting hideout, drowning in sleep and pride and terror. spot. I like when you reverse my
So now I would like to take the weight out, also maintain the length.
TV, sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I would be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changed and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations.
Finally, if you're interested about the details of the makeover, just check this out for the makeover videos with kinryyy. Just go for it later. So finally, I hope you guys love these videos. If you love these videos, so please give me a big thumbs up. Also subscribe my YouTube channel, hit on the bell, and you will never miss my new videos. Good kid. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And I will see you guys on my next videos. Peace.